I just ate 2 of them.
Hold on.
But yeah, they're getting thick.
I'm gonna go out there and run and get it.
Do you want to look how big that is?
Let's see if I can catch one.
Oh,
that was
you want one?
You're eating on it? I need you to. Should I just close the main door or should I close the screen?
Okay, I gotta stop. I gotta stop.
Close the
filming.
window.
I gotta stop filming. It's gonna hit me. I gotta see. I gotta see.
Look at the star. There's like these stars in it. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's pretty cool though. That's pretty retro. Turn it around. Look at that. Yeah.
And nature.
Yeah. Anyways.
I can't. It's slowing down.
Y'all see the shape?
Yes.
Whoa. It's happening. It's doing it again.
Oh shit, bigger ones.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, look, big ones, bigger ones. Let's get that one. Look at that.
Look at the size on that one.
Here, you want some?
Oh, fuck. Shit. There's more coming. Oh, whoa, they would just landed right in front of us. Ow.
Land it right in your hand.
This one's in the house. Look, it's tight. It's like a little ball. If they can see. Oh, shit.
Yeah, it's like a little star ball inside.
There we go. I'll try to get it.
Oh. I'm not sure why it's not. Look.
This is tight. Okay. I have to grab this one. Okay. Okay. I bit it on the inside, and that's what I'm getting, the crystals. You can't really see.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes. I mean, I don't know why it's not really getting it.
I don't know why neither. I guess. Oh, right.
Guys, I wasn't even recording. I was talking to y'all the whole time. The whole time. And I just was not recording. Rain said, Mom, you're not even recording. I was like, all right. All right. Shh.
Come on.
Look how beautiful she is. Listen, I love y'all. Y'all are so beautiful. Look how beautiful. Look what she's rocking today.
We're talking about overtime and IRS and stuff like that. There was this TikTok that was like, when he's having a hard day at work, but then he remembers who he's doing it all for, and then there's a picture of the IRS. And I think that's funny because the more you make, the more IRS takes out, and it's just like we're doing it for you, like. You know?
When your agent's down here, you want 12 hours then,
White people sarcasm. I say that because it seems to me I have, of course, I have white people in my family. Well, I'm partially white myself, but they seem more sarcastic, and they have like sarcastic jokes and stuff like that. They're the more sarcastic breed. Mirror.
This is what I.
The children used to play, not in this Pacific one, but when they were little, they used to play at the mall
I remember playing at this.
in San Antonio, Texas, on Military. That mall, I'm trying to think of what that mall is called. But anyways, those that know. We're about to go into Earthbound. We always go into Earthbound. They have the train put away. There goes Dragon Home. I showed you that. Maritas Boutique. This is really nice. These little tree wooden stands. Get free. This instant 6 free. Buy one bag. Get 10 loose instant. It's free. We do always get the incense, but we already restocked up on those. You deserve self-care. So guys, I have bought a lot of pendulums when they were on sale here in Earthbound a while back. It's probably been about a year ago.
Daddy, look, these mommy.
Oh yes.
Saturn lights. I think we're ruled by Saturn.
Oh yeah.
I think. Or let me see. Oh, Uranus. We're ruled by Uranus. Never mind. I think Dad's ruled by Saturn. Let me see.
Come on, come look at this cup. This cup is really cute. Saturn. Yeah, Saturn.
Oh okay. So we're ruled by Saturn.
No, Dad, you don't listen.
Oh, Dad's ruled. You see that I don't listen, guys.
Don't listen.
I like the strawberry cup like that.
I guess my children
Yeah.
would know me, huh?
You really know not to listen.
Yeah, those are cute.
Look, I think this is what you put by your bedside, and then you can flip it, and it's
God.
like water.
Take it up with it.
Yeah.
I actually really want
Yeah,
that.
that's nice.
I like this like lunchbox too.
Yeah, Rexy's been eyeing that.
Perhaps kid that cat couldn't go into work because it has to be with-
It's gotta be see-through at work. Let me.
Oh, are you digging in my pocket?
Okay, put that receipt in there. Oh, the glasses are on sale. They have some of the glasses on sale. Oh wait, that's butterflies. Those are pretty retro. I don't know if I'm showing you or not.
This is the first time you said it. I think you want to. It's good.
Do you still talk to this guy that you met in here?
I actually don't talk to him. I feel bad because
You want to go in there, Bubba? I'll go in there with you.
I wanted to be friends with him, but I didn't talk to him.
Just to Express Factory.
What do you think?
They want to go to the food court, so we're headed that way. We're playing an old song. Nice. Guess we're headed back out the mall. Listen to the music, guys.
I just wonder if she's proud of herself.
My light's on.
Put it on her. She's so proud of herself. She's so proud of herself. Look at her.
What's going on? You want to dance?
I said, but I'd be in the wrong if I were to step on her shoe because she's going.
I'm
slow
dancing
for
with
me.
Roxy, guys.
Don't have it too close, and you know I'm breaking out.
Let the button get the door. Let the button get the door. Let the button get the door. Today's meal is chalupas. Chalupas, chalupas, chalupas. Beans. Tomato, cilantro, and some lemon. Some avocado. And sour cream for those that like it. Chalupas, the food's ready. This is my plate. And of course I didn't do lime, but I did do lemon. I do have limes in there, but we have a lot of lemons that I need to get rid of as well. Or to use, I should say. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Loafing. Movie. The baby. I think the cereal is called S'mores. And of course, I'm rocking that almond milk. That almond milk with it. The girls, well, Rhapsody made spaghetti.
Rain is the cook in the house. She usually cooks. I don't usually cook, but
Out in nature, guys. Getting out into nature. Letting my baby play a little bit. I'm gonna walk her to the water. I'm gonna walk to the water. Of course, she's gonna be smelling around. So many different dogs have been here. Anyone that has a dog knows exactly what they do. There goes our babies. I love them so much. Thank you, dear God. I noticed. Butterfingers! I'm calling her. I think there's a person walking over here. I mean, she's a good girl. Look at her. The birds have been out. It's been so beautiful. So beautiful. Yes, so vibrant and green. I remember I was going through a stage at one point when it just seemed like everything was just like dead, not lively. But as you can see right now, everything's so green and vibrant, so lively. When I'm talking about that stage, it was some years ago, but yes. I guess I was just going through something at that time, of course. Look at that sun setting. Look how beautiful that is. There we go. There we go. Look how beautiful. And in the water. I want to go to that island right there in the middle. That would be like a great place to like chill, hang out. I don't know, build a little fort inside of that, you know? But yes, every day I've been hearing the birds. I've been hearing the birds. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I give gratitude. I'm thankful. It's probably why I sometimes leave the video just rolling so y'all can hear the beautiful sounds, the beautiful view. Just take it in, you know, just sit there and just take it all in. I truly do give gratitude. Give thanks for this beautiful transformation, for this beautiful moment, for this beautiful view, for this beautiful feeling, an amazing feeling. There's always someone watching you, lurking behind bushes and trees. There's always someone watching, something watching, someone, something. You see all that movement in the trees over there, in the distance. That's my baby Butterfingers. I love her so much. She's happy to get out. Even though we have a house and we have a backyard and stuff, it's still nice to take them out. It's still nice to take them out, take them for a walk, do things with them. The children are talking about walking Dunbar tonight, so that's like, I don't know, more than like 2.5, 2.7 miles, about, I don't know, more than 2 miles, I know that. It's a pretty long walk, but well needed, well deserved. Thank you, universe. Thank you. Hi, sexy butt. Hi. Got all this on you. Oh, the baby. Oh, the baby. There goes my lovely child. She told me not to film her, guys. My oldest child said, and I'm just telling y'all, it's probably TMI, but my oldest child said, I'm just gonna have to end up suing you. I said, yeah, go ahead. Sue me so we could be on the news. Child sues mother for filming her. The whole fucking world is being filmed, but let me stop.
I'm trying my best not to scream at you because you already know I'm in a bad mood. So I don't know why you would do that.
Here. It's such a beautiful day. Who could ever be in such a bad mood?
That too. Ma.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody smells like weed. Are you recording? In.
I'm recording.